Hey lovely vlog gang, how are you guys today? So you guys were saying that it was too bright on my camera, so I have really bad lighting in my house, so it's not gonna be much better. I'm recording from my phone, which I may have to just, it looks really orange in here, you see what I mean? Really orange, and this is what it would look like with the light. You see what I mean? You know what? Excuse me. I just got home. I have really chapped lips right now. I need to put on some chapstick. But anyways, I don't think, it's not too bright, right? I don't think it is. I wonder, would that be too... Yo, I hate these fucking pants, dude. Look at this shit. They're like super high-waisted. I need some jeans. Really good jeans. How about... Maybe I'll leave that one on. Hold on. Maybe I'll leave that one on and turn that one off. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So... I am trying to find something. You guys know what I've been so hungry for? Some vegan fish. I just got a bunch of easy shit to make. Vegan, plant protein, dairy free, and it's kosher. 9 grams of protein. And what I do is I take that big ugly pan I have. Listen, you guys, I started this video earlier because I thought I was going to do a video. And I haven't really been able to fart all night. I've been having the diarrhea. Seriously, TMI. I can't help it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know if it's because I started working out and if I'm not doing something right with my muscles. But I did like some walking and some stairs and a little bit of other stuff. I'm trying to be more active. I've been practicing my burps too. I'm like watching videos of these girls burping. I'm like, how the fuck do they do that? But my secret, that's how I do it, you know? Excuse me. Since I can't fart tonight, I don't think I can. I'll just burp, okay? From all my burp fans out there, still fart gang though. So, 425. I hate high-waisted jeans because they make me look fucking huge. I'm putting it on 425. Start. And so I don't get anything stuck to my pan. I always have so many dishes, and I feel like I do dishes every freaking day. I just take like this sheet like that. And I put it on here because I don't like shit to get stuck to my pan. And I finally got a little smart. I don't know. Let's see how many's in here first. Brr, they're all stuck together. Excuse me. Like, these, the breading tastes just like fish. They're so tiny, see? Just kidding. I have really big, massive, manly hands. Just kidding. I prepare everything tonight because I want to have it easier for myself tomorrow, you know, because it'd be so hard. And my oven's preheating, but shit. Alright, so I got these Walmart brand broccoli cuts. And what I do with these, I clean as I go. I get me a pan. Get a pan like this. Fill it up with water. And then I'm going to boil my water and then put my... Do you boil the water first? Oh, okay. You're supposed to put the... It might help if I read. I have like a kindergarten reading level. I'm very slow, guys. You're supposed to put these in the water first and then... No, you're supposed to put these in first. And then cover them with water and then let them boil. Ta-da! So I'm gonna put those in there. Like my broken jeans. Alright, so I'm going to make a box of this macaroni and cheese that I showed you guys. It's vegan mac. And I'm going to mix the broccoli with this. It's like vegan bacon and stuff. Yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. I have like some of the worst ideas for food. A lot of times I don't even know what to make. How would you say that? I don't even know. Yo. I need something mid-rise, not something high-waisted, you know. I need to, like, stretch my booty. You guys, I don't stretch. That hurts. I don't stretch like I should, and I can't fart like I need to. It's so bad. What? I'll post a picture on Instagram. And I still have the egg picture. I'm gonna post that. So you guys can see what my food looks like when I'm done, okay? So, it's been really... I'm sorry that my lips look really bad. It's been like nasty rainy here. Cold. My type of weather. I love when it's rainy and cold and gloomy. I feel more happy when it's like that. You know how most people like it when it's like when it's sunny and stuff? I hate that. I get depressed. Weird, I know. So guys, I'm trying this new thing where I don't eat after like midnight. No, 10 o'clock p.m. Anytime after 10 I won't eat. Because I'm trying to lose weight. There's things that I need to cut out too. Things that... There's things that I need to cut out, like bread and stuff. I need to cut a lot of stuff out. This pasta's okay. I think I'm going to season it this time. But there's a lot of sodium in here. I might just have to... I want to be vegan and all that, but sometimes that sodium's bad. I guess it's all about, like, in eating in moderation. Eating portions, proper portion-sized meals, and also exercise and sweating a lot. Yeah. Drink a lot of water. Would it distract you guys if I just... Look at my cleavage. What if my cleavage was all the way up to here? Whoa, yeah. That would be so bad, right? Big old titties. Anyways. Okay. Excuse me. Didn't mean to burp in your face. I'm gonna go now. I'll post a picture on Twitter and Instagram. Follow me Twitter and Instagram. Like, subscribe, share, retweet. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers so we can do the giveaway. See you guys in my next video, okay? Love you guys. Bye.